Moms. My name is Lisa, and today I'm going to be sharing with you is chocolate pretzel bites for Christmas. Super easy, super simple. A lot of people like them in my family. So yeah, and my mom, she's been doing these since I can remember, so now I make them. And they do not cost a lot of money at all. So what you're gonna need is some pretzels. I got these from Walmart, $1.55. Pretzel's a pretzel. You can get the ones that are like crisscross, but they're more money, so I just deal with these. Some M&Ms and then some molding chocolate. I get these from Tops and Wegmans. I do like the molded chocolate. They are flat. So, but sometimes, like with the recipe I'm going to be sharing with you, they do say you can use Hershey Kisses as well too. The only thing is Hershey Kisses are a lot more money. So you get a big bag like this for like $5. You get a small bag for Hershey Kisses are like $3.99, $3. So you're kind of getting your bang for your buck for something like this. I do like to do the white chocolate as well. And they do have dark chocolate, and I think they have another type of chocolate. I think it's hazelnut or something like that. So what you're going to do is you're going to preheat the oven to 350. And then you're going to take a nonstick sheet and just put the pretzels flat. Okay? Then what you're going to do is you're going to put the wafers on, or the Hershey Kisses. You can see how these are flat. You can just put it right in the middle. And then what you're going to do is you're going to pop them in the oven. And after you pop them in the oven, you're going to wait about 3 minutes. You're going to take them out. If you are going to use a Hershey Kiss, it's going to be a good minute, almost a minute and a half more. You would just have to, open it and wait and see if it is melted. So after about 3 minutes in the heated oven, you're going to take them out. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put the M&M right on there. You're going to press down, and that's it. And then you can just put them in the fridge to cool off. It takes about a good 5 minutes, and then you can just take them right off the pan. Or you can let them just stay right on the pan and let them cool off. It's going to take about another 5 minutes. So I'm going to say about 10 minutes to cool down. Then you could just, take them off and eat them right away. They are very addicting. They're very good. So yeah, try these out, guys. I usually give these away for gift giving because people rave about these. My husband's work, my family, my in-laws, they all love these. So yeah, keep on baking, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.